Your name?
This is Ashika Narayan.
Another?
Ashika Narayan.
Narayan.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. So how excited you are for Milan?
I am super duper excited. This is my first Milan as a convener, so the excitement is sky high.
So you're convener.
Yeah, I'm heading this domain called Fun Zone.
Fine.
So I am the convener of this domain called Fun Zone, which is basically an event, a domain which is about 9 events which are full on fun, bang on fun.
Hey, Noodles Monday. Hey, Kamli Monday. Your name?
என் பேர் விவேக்
என்ன மச்சான்? Vivek. Your name மச்சான்?
லக்ஷ்மி பிரசாத்
My name is Vaishnavi.
Ah.
And I'm from Delhi. And I'm a Tamilian, which I don't seem like, but yes, I am.
I asked only your name.
Yeah, but
பூர்வீகமே சொல்லிட்டு இருக்கா.
this comes along with it.
Okay, fine. I am better. அறுவை நம்பி கலிய பெருமாள் இந்திரன்.
So we are actually excited to see all the fashion models maybe, and yeah, we are not pretty much excited about all the others, but we are excited about Vogue Way.
Which one?
Vogue Way.
Fine. How excited you are for this Milan 2017?
Very much excited for the Milan. It's the 10th edition and it's very awesome. We're having Vishal Shekhar, we're having Palak Munchal, we had Aditya Roy Kapoor for the inauguration. Can you imagine? It was so crazy. He went crazy. We went crazy for him. And then we have Vishal and Shekhar in town. It's going to be real crazy. And then we have Anushka Manchanda just now released her new song with Sonam Kapoor came for the inaugural. It's going to be very fun this time. Yeah.
What about you?
Yeah, so far in the past 3 years of Milan, we have been enjoying fun. So this time we are here to give fun from the Fun Zone domain. So we're pretty much excited and we are expecting more participants from various colleges. So here we are geared up guys, so we are looking forward for a bunch of participants. So we are there to offer fun.
Lakshmi Mani, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So I see. Sports convener, is it?
Yep.
Excellent. So how has Milan been through all the 4 years this year?
All the 4 years.
Yeah.
The most exciting thing ever happened in my life. Yeah.
Apart from that, in all 4 years, which one's the best one? In fact, if this is your last one, I expect it to be a little more special. So, any comments?
Yeah, last 4 years being volunteer, organizer, coordinator and now the convener for sports. I feel happy, more and more happy, and I wish my event goes well.
Obviously, I'll be excited because this is my last Milan. I'll be totally excited for this.
Hi.
Hi.
You look so gorgeous.
I guess.
So, what's your name?
Suman.
But in Instagram, your name is like Delhi Valley Madrasi. Why it's so?
Because I'm from Delhi, but I've stayed in Chennai for a very long time.
So, you know Tamil? How come you're Madrasi?
Because I've been staying here for a long time.
Do you know any words in Tamil? Bol.
No, please.
Okay, teach me some Hindi words. 2, 3.
What kind of Hindi words?
Sarcastic. Funny.
Sarcastic.
See, bad words.
Hey, don't make me do this, please.
No, yeah, we'll beep it. Come on. 2 words. Just 2 words. Because you're from Delhi, I know. I'm not discriminating, but
Bad words.
2, just 2.
Why bad words?
We love bad words. We all love it.
You'll offend the person you use them on. You'll really offend the person you use them on.
No, but I just want to know.
Do you?
So how excited you are in this Milan 2017?
I'm pretty excited because it's my first year in college, so it's never happened before and it's all pomp and show. So we're really excited for Anushka Manchanda. It's really interesting. It's such so many events all over.
So which is your favorite event?
Vishal Shekhar. I'm waiting for Vishal Shekhar.
Why would you ask me?
Okay, one word. Common, any, two, anything. Louder.
Hey! Not louder.
Okay.
That's it. Once, please.
I'm really excited because this is my first Milan, so I'm looking forward to all the events and all the pro shows that are happening.
Same.
I'm excited for tomorrow. We have the fashion show.
So you're participating in that? Wow, that's why you're so gorgeous. Fine.
Please don't do that. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So what are you expecting in this Milan?
Well, the best part is over, I guess. Aditya Roy Kapoor came.
Vishal.
Yes, that is going to be fun. I love their songs.
Are you going there?
I will be, yes.
Fine. And I'm waiting to see you in the fashion walk.
Be there.